Take two. Take two.
So please welcome Nana BOOZHOO. Ah. Ah. Bum ba bum ba bum bum bum.
Why don't you get us started?
Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this right here, this is Nana BOOZHOO. So please welcome Nana BOOZHOO. Take it away, sweetie.
Hey everybody, BOOZHOO Gakina. Hello everybody, and welcome back to the show. And so, today I thought it'd be a good idea. Let's talk about the mushkiki one, the medicines.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, I thought you'd like that. And so, in the Ojibwe way, there are 4 medicines. Niwin, mushkiki one, 4 medicines. You got your, your sage, BASHKODEJIIBIK, BASHKODEJIIBIK. And then you smudge down with the sage, GIIZHIK. And then there's tobacco. You got your ASEMAA, and you put that in the upwagan. You put that in your pipe. And then what else is there? There's sweetgrass. We got WIIGASHK. WIIGASHK. That's sweetgrass. And then finally, what am I forgetting?
GIIZHIK, cedar.
Oh yeah, GIIZHIK, cedar. So there are your 4 medicines. You got cedar, sweetgrass, tobacco, and ASEMAA. And so right to the point. No little frills, no whatever. So let's I don't know. Do you have anything you want to add to this?
Not really.
All right, well, let's call it a show. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO. Why don't you do it, sweetie? You're so much cuter than I am.
Ah, get out of here. Well, thank you for watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Nana BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Gigawapa min, minawa, hawa.
Baby, we can talk all night, but that ain't getting us nowhere. The snow is really piling up outside. I wish you wouldn't make me leave here. I poured it on and I poured it out. I tried to show you just how much I cared. I'm tired of words and I'm too hoarse to shout. But you've been cold to me so long, I'm crying icicles instead of tears. And all I can do. All right.